I can't believe this. How is it possible? I'm surprised to be the most funniest entertainer in Singapore. We all know body language is a necessity in public speaking. Gestures, movement, and eye contact. If you ask me what's the most underrated body language, I would say facial expression. Facial expression is a powerful way to express yourself, enhance the emotions, and engage the audience. Imagine if I tell an interesting and fun story with my poker face. Would you like to hear it? As a resonant storyteller, we must put facial expression into good use. Let's practice different facial expressions with me. Start with happy, sad, angry, shocked. Our eyebrows, eyes, lips, cheeks, and even wrinkles are parts of our facial expressions. When you are telling a story, don't forget to use your facial expressions appropriately. Don't you agree our face can show different emotions and feelings without words? There are 3 steps to practice your facial expressions in your presentation or speech. Firstly, activate your muscles by doing facial warm-ups. Move your eyebrows up and down and say Q-E, Q-E to loosen your cheeks, jaw, and lips. Then practice your speech or presentation in front of a mirror. Observe and add in facial expressions wherever suitable. Lastly, a pro tip: make your facial expressions natural. If you don't want to look comical, tone it down. If you want to make people laugh, exaggerate it. The more you use your facial expression, the more your muscle memory will assist you. After a while, all will come naturally. My friends, don't keep your powerful tool, facial expression, in the closet. Use it wisely to make your delivery more powerful and impactful. Can you guess how I feel now? Make your guess in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more public speaking and communication tips. See you in the next video.